I might just OD, perks killing me slowly. Feeling like I'm cold.
Yo, big OYK! Yo! Where are you, bro? Come here, come here! Yo, this man's name is Big OYK. What the fuck?
Big OYK.
Yo! Where's this shit going, man? Yo, Big OYK! Yo!
Holy cow! It's you! I guess.
Yo!
We don't talk about DOAK.
You're OYK?
Yes, I'm OYK.
Are you? Whoa! Will you have beef with Didi?
Yes. Diddy, fuck Diddy.
So what's your set,
Fuck
bro?
Diddy,
What's your
bro.
set, bro?
Huh?
What are you? You're big DOA?
Nah, I'm big OYK.
How old are you, bro?
I'm 12.
Bro, you said you're big OYK, but then you hit Keem Dance. Like, what are you doing, bro? So what are you? What are
Fuck
you?
you.
Are you OGs?
He's a fucking regular
Yes, I'm
kindergartner, bro.
OG. Bro.
Alright.
Just look at that
Stop.
thug. You can tell he's a little. Ooh.
Oh, hell no. Yo. Oh, nah. Yo, this looks like the fucking Sped K Flock. El Riz, bro, I talked to her for 1 second. Hello?
Hello?
What's up, Coochie Grip?
Show me
Hey,
dick,
yo,
show me
Coochie
dick.
Yo, why are your lashes so big?
Shut the fuck up. No, they're not.
Can you even see?
Is that Blueface
Yeah,
girlfriend?
I can.
Oh my god.
You got a face tat?
Yeah.
Can I lick it?
Yeah, here you go.
Where you from?
I'm from Baltimore. Where you from?
I'm from Miami.
Come get me. Come get me.
How old are you?
21. How old are you?
I'm 19. Is that a problem?
Yes.
Why?
Are you childish?
No, does it look like I'm childish?
I would give her
You play
6 kids.
games?
I play games, but not with you.
Okay. Because I would beat your ass. Okay?
I'll beat your ass. I don't know who you talking to.
Oh, why are you talking like it's scripted or something? Like you're reading something?
I'm looking at you. You on the left side.
Oh, well, I will beat your ass and throw your ass in the. Okay.
How tall are you?
5'2".
You're not doing shit.
I'm strong. What the fuck is you saying?
You're not strong. Like what?
I am.
Bro, if me and you were to fight, I'll beat your ass. You smoke Nick?
This is a hookah.
Oh, I'm Arab, so like we known for smoking hookah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This is-
tight shit.
This is the new thing that I got from the store.
You got Instagram?
Yes, I have Instagram. Are you on stream?
Maybe.
How many people is it?
They say you look like Christian Rock.
Why do everybody keep saying that? Like,
Say like you have 400.
the fuck?
I got 5,000 watching right now.
Oh shit, oh shit. Hold on. Hold the fuck up. Hold the fuck up.
No, I'm just playing. It's 2 people.
Nah, you fucking lying.
I'm not lying. I would never lie to you.
I want to take your fucking lips and just.
And what?
Anyways, my Instagram.
Alright, what is it?
You gonna skip me if I say it. I know the
I'm
trick.
not gonna skip you, bro. I'm finna mute
Yo,
you and
Gore.
follow you.
Okay. H.
What, you want them to follow you? Alright, what is it?
H.
Alright, hold on 1 second. H Mm-hmm. Alright. Alright. Bro, that shit don't even pop up, bro. Repeat it, bro. Hurry, like, do it quick. Uh-huh. 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 It don't pop up. I swear it don't pop up, bro. What happened? Just follow my shit.
What's your shit?
G-O-R.
Hold on. G-O-R.
G-U.
G-U.
W-X-P.
W.
X.
That chat, all you gotta do is go to his following and search up HO.
What?
That's
I
it.
got you. Yeah, you gotta follow me back.
Fucking what
Alright,
did
I'm
you
finna
say?
follow you back.
Alright. Sexy ass man.
Bro, stop playing, bro. Yo, like, chat, bro. Like, chat, stop playing with me,
He
bro.
showed
Me, bro. I didn't follow back.
Hey, you wanna hear me rap, bro?
Boosie!
You wanna hear me rap, bro?
Yeah, go.
I don't know why you're so proud.
Bro,
Omar.
she is bad, bro.
Hey, Omar.
Hey, Key.
What you doing?
How old are you?
I am 19. How old are you?
You do not look 19 at all.
Okay,
How the fuck can you see us and you not looking at the phone?
Because it's on his computer.
Like, y'all on the left side, you feel me? But who's,
So
the
look
girl,
at the
who's
right.
the girl in the back? Like, you feel me?
That's my
Big
friend
Ken.
Ken's. This is Tori.
Who's asking?
Me, I'm asking.
But
Are you
what-
trying to get her number?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your
yours?
number?
What's
I'm about
yours?
to write it down for her.
Actually, I like numbers like too fast. You feel me? No, I got a friend for Tori though.
Okay, what about me?
I got my dog. You feel me? Should I call him right now?
A number is too fast. What do you mean?
Where you from?
Okay, we from Baltimore, but can you give me your number?
I ain't gonna lie. Tori looks so bad right now. Like, oh,
Who the fuck is Tori?
what's her name again?
My name Kendall. That's Tori.
Yeah, she looks so bad right now. Like,
She fine.
yeah, she's so bad. I ain't gonna lie.
Okay, so get her your number.
Bro, I could take all
Bro,
three. of
she look
y'all.
like an alien.
You think so?
I think so.
You think you can handle us?
Yes, I think so.
Ask her if she's from
That
Earth.
big back
Especially
there?
Tori with her little sexy ass nose ring. She making me ooh.
Ooh,
Tori.
okay, Tori.
What you talking about?
What you say that for?
You had a farm?
Oh yeah, sorry. You're making me.
Yo, Laser Switch this type of girls.
I don't know.
Dude, this kid is nasty, bro.
So is you gonna get her like your Snapchat or your Instagram or something?
Follow my Instagram.
If y'all
Okay, what's your
phone off, you could've
Instagram?
just said that. We would have been
No, I
understanding.
like Snapchat. What's your
You my
Instagram?
Snapchat.
I don't really use Snap. You feel me?
Okay,
Okay,
girl,
well,
what's your
you gonna have to
Instagram?
use it one time, baby.
What are your
Feel me?
Instagram?
I'm trying to take all three of y'all.
Okay, so what's your Instagram?
All right, GOR
GOR
GU
GU
WXP.
WXP.
Yeah, that's it.
That's him.
That's me.
You cute.
It's fun.
You from New York?
Nah, I'm from Miami, but I visited New York. Where y'all from again? I forgot. My bad.
We from Baltimore, but right now we visiting
Follow
Cleveland.
me back. You cute.
I'm trying to visit Baltimore. I heard like it's fire over there.
Or let us know when you out.
I'm
Or
tryna-
let us know when you out in Cleveland.
Yeah.
We out here, baby.
Choo choo.
How old are all y'all?
18,
19.
18.
All right. I'll hit y'all up. Wait, who's the?
How old are you?
Follow me back, baby.
I got you. I'm 19.
That sounds like sugar mama.
How old are you? Oh, you 19?
Yeah. How old the
Alright,
girl in the
push
back? Or how? Like, what's the girl in the back name again?
Kendall.
All right, Kendall, Tori, and what else?
You like trains? Like train tracks and stuff?
Yeah, I love trains.
Well, you can.
Choo choo.
Yeah.
You feel me? Yeah.
All right, Alright, run to your ass. Bye.
Yo, stop playing with me, chat. Stop playing with me,
Hi.
bro.
YouTuber. YouTuber.
Nigga, you're playing
No,
fat
I know,
bitches.
I know YouTuber.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is
What's your name?
John.
John. Johnny Janardhan. Where are
John.
you from?
John